Dusseldorf is the capital city of North Rhine-Westphalia, Germany's most populous state, and serves as a major political and economic hub in the country. The city is renowned for its fashion industry and is often referred to as the fashion capital of Germany. The annual Dusseldorf Fashion Week showcases both established and emerging designers. Dusseldorf's Altstadt, Old Town, is famous for its vibrant nightlife, with over 300 bars, pubs, and clubs, making it one of the longest bars in the world. The city is home to the Rhine Tower, Rheinturm, which stands 240.5 meters tall and offers panoramic views of the city and the Rhine River from its observation deck. Dusseldorf's Kunstsammlung Nordrhein-Westfalen is one of Germany's most important art collections, housing works from the 20th century, including pieces by renowned artists like Paul Klee and Joseph Beuys. The city is known for its unique local beer called Altbier, a dark, top-fermented beer that has a distinctive taste and is served in small glasses called Stangen. Dusseldorf hosts the Carnival of Dusseldorf, one of the largest and most colorful carnivals in Germany, featuring parades, costumes, and street celebrations every year. The city has a significant Japanese community, with a vibrant Japanese quarter, Little Tokyo, that includes restaurants, shops, and cultural events. Dusseldorf is recognized for its modern architecture, including the stunning Gehry buildings at the Media Harbor, designed by architect Frank Gehry. The city has a rich musical heritage, being the birthplace of influential musicians such as the electronic music pioneer Kraftwerk. Dusseldorf's annual Japan Day celebrates Japanese culture, attracting thousands of visitors with traditional performances, food, and fireworks. The city is connected to the Rhine River, which has historically played an important role in trade and transportation, enhancing Dusseldorf's economic significance. The Königsallee is Dusseldorf's famous shopping street, lined with luxury boutiques and high-end stores, making it a popular destination for fashion enthusiasts. Dusseldorf is known for its vibrant art scene, with numerous galleries, theaters, and cultural institutions, including the Deutsche Oper am Rhein. The city has a strong commitment to sustainability, with an extensive network of bike paths and a public transportation system that encourages eco-friendly commuting. Dusseldorf is home to the largest trade fair in the world, the Boot Dusseldorf, dedicated to boating and water sports. The city was heavily bombed during World War II, resulting in significant destruction. However, many historical buildings have been restored. Dusseldorf boasts a thriving culinary scene, featuring a mix of traditional German cuisine and international fare, including Michelin-starred restaurants. The Rheinufer Promenade is a beautiful riverside promenade popular for walking, cycling, and enjoying views of the Rhine and the city skyline. Dusseldorf's Birdplatz is a historic square that features the iconic St. Lambertus Church and the former Ducal Palace. The city is known for its international trade fairs, such as Medica, the world's largest medical trade fair attracting participants from all over the globe. Dusseldorf is a key player in the European media landscape, hosting numerous television and film production companies. The city has a rich literary history and hosts the annual Dusseldorf Literature Festival, featuring readings and discussions with authors from around the world. Dusseldorf's Stadtwerke Dusseldorf provides a comprehensive public transportation system, including trams, buses, and trains, making it easy to navigate the city. The city's Schauspielhaus is one of Germany's leading theaters, known for its innovative productions and contribution to contemporary theater. Dusseldorf is the birthplace of the famous painter Joseph Beuys, known for his contributions to art and social philosophy. The city has a strong sporting culture, with several professional football clubs, including Fortuna Dusseldorf, which competes in the Bundesliga. Dusseldorf's Nordpark is a large public park that features beautiful gardens, a Japanese garden, and a water playground, making it a popular spot for families. The city participates in the annual Dusseldorf Marathon, attracting runners from around the world and promoting fitness and health. The Museum Kunstpalast in Dusseldorf showcases a diverse range of art, including classical paintings, contemporary works, and decorative arts. Dusseldorf's St. Andreas Kirche is known for its stunning Baroque architecture and beautiful interior, making it a popular tourist attraction. The city hosts the Dusseldorf Carnival, a lively celebration featuring parades, music, and costumes, attracting locals and tourists alike. Dusseldorf is known for its commitment to innovation, with various research institutions and universities contributing to advancements in technology and science. The city's Südpark is a large park that offers recreational facilities, walking paths, and beautiful green spaces for relaxation. Dusseldorf is home to several annual festivals, including the Dusseldorfer Jazz Rally, which celebrates jazz music with performances throughout the city. The city has a dynamic startup scene, supported by various incubators and accelerators that promote entrepreneurship and innovation. Dusseldorf's Aquazoo Labeck Museum combines a zoo and an aquarium, showcasing a wide variety of aquatic and terrestrial species. The city has a strong tradition of Christmas markets, attracting visitors with festive stalls, local crafts, and seasonal treats during the holiday season. Dusseldorf is known for its high quality of life, with excellent healthcare, education, and recreational facilities contributing to resident satisfaction. The city's Tonhalle is a concert hall renowned for its exceptional acoustics and hosts a variety of musical performances, including classical concerts. Dusseldorf's Kunsttunnel is an underground art space that showcases contemporary art exhibitions and installations. The city has a rich history in textile manufacturing, which has significantly influenced its economic development and cultural heritage. The city is known for its extensive network of cycling paths, making it one of the most bike-friendly cities in Germany.